What's up, guys? Hey guys, doing today? Guys, to meet you and smash all the buttons if you can, and subscribe and subscribe today. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, today we're posting today's video. Hope you're feeling up, same path, hope my face, we never ever taking it off. Hope you're beautiful, sunny weather. Hope you're just having an amazing Thursday afternoon / evening. Real quick video for you guys. I said in yesterday's video that I was either gonna do a workout video today or an RC/drone video. So as you can tell, I'm not doing a workout video. So today I'm gonna show you my drone and my RC things. So a lot of you guys know that, actually probably none of you guys know that I'm an RC kind of guy, and I'm a drone kind of guy. So the first one that I'm going to show you is, I got this from my friend. She was really nice. I didn't do anything for her, but she just got it for me. It was really expensive. I think it was like $100 or something. And that was the drone. Now, you guys are probably like, that's a small drone. I know. But it's really cool. I got the replacements in case one of these fall off. But I'm just gonna give you like a overview. Do like what I did with the shoe review yesterday. Just give you guys like a review and show you guys the drone. So yeah. And now we're back to the beginning. Now I'm gonna show you. And I actually like this because it switches off between black and white. So I like that. It looks kind of cool with the white down at the bottom and the black up top. But if you switch it, it's white and then black. So I mean, I like it. It's called Swift Steam Z-6. So if you have this one, I'm part of your club now. I've had this drone for, I don't know, like, I think it's like 2 or 3 years, something like that, maybe even more. But I feel like this would be a cool video. Maybe we could do like a cool video with this. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you guys want to see a video with this. So yeah. I think this is the controller for it. I think. Yep, right here. This is the controller for the drone. As you can see, it has all of the electronics and all that type of stuff. And there's the button, blue button for the drone. But yeah, like I said, if you guys want me to do a video with the drone where I can hook a camera up and go around and you guys can see cool stuff, so let me know if you guys want to see that. The next thing is the RC. Now the RC, it's really cool. I don't know where I got this. I think I got it for one of my relatives. I don't know which one exactly, but it looks really cool. So this is the RC. Looks really cool. The cool thing about this one is that, or at least in my opinion, it has the mufflers in the back, and then it has like the cool engine right here, the cool engine right there, and then it has like the ladder, in a sense, I guess you can call it. But yeah, so here's a side view. Trying to get all in the picture, and I'm not. There we go. Just had to go out a little bit. So that's the side view. Here's the front view. Looks really cool, right? The other side view looks really cool, and then the back. And I didn't show you guys this, but if you can see that, there's like fire coming out on the hood, and it also has it on the wings as well. I guess you can call them wings. I forget what this is called, but I call it the wings because it looks like wings. And then it also has like I said, fire on the wings. And then I also like the wheels as well. They're just really cool in my opinion. But overall, the best thing that I like about this RC is, one, the fire on the hood and the back with the wings, and I like this whole the motor setup, which would be the motor right here, and then oh crap, I don't know I forget what it's called. The mufflers. There we go. The two mufflers in the back. So it looks really cool. So let me know, like I said before. Oh, here's the wings. On the end, here are the wings. I forgot about that. And I guess you could call it double wings, I guess, because you got like wings there and wings there. And I forget. I'm just gonna call this wings. I know they're not wings, but I'm gonna call it wings, just because. But yeah. Like I said, with the drone, if you guys want to see a video with the drone or the RC, let me know in the comment section below, and maybe I'll do both. Maybe I'll put maybe I'll do a drone video, maybe I'll do an RC video, who knows. But it's all up to you guys what you guys want to see. If you guys want to see a drone video or RC video, or a drone video, like I said, let me know in the comment section below and tell me which one you want to see more, either drone or RC. I feel like both of them will be a good video, but I feel like the drone will be more better, but it's all up to you guys. But then I also like the RC as well, so I mean, like I said, it's all up to you guys what you guys want to see. But yeah, that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, before I forget, before I sign off, here is the controller for the RC. Really cool. Really cool. In my favor. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys again for all the love and support. This channel would not be possible if it wasn't for each and every single one of you. So thank you guys so much again for everything. You guys are really amazing. I don't know what I would do without you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Don't forget, you are beautiful, yes, one of a kind. Always give that big smile on your face. Never take it off. Always turn on the post notifications so you never miss a new video. See you guys next time. Stay positive. You're awesome. Bye, guys. Peace. Yeet. See you more before I forget. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button on the screen on my face. You can click my face, subscribe. And I'm subscribed to that. Click the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. And then, as always, if you missed yesterday's video, that on the screen as well. So go check that out as well. And yeah, my face will be up in this corner. Yesterday's will be down in this corner, up in this corner, depending on where YouTube lets me put it. Down below the video is a bell. Tap the bell so you don't miss an upload, and hope you get my post notifications. And then, as always, down below is a comment section. Go down there, leave a nice comment, and tell me if you guys want to see a drone video or a RC video. And I'll pick out of who likes better. And then we'll go from there, I guess. But yeah, so like I said before, thank you guys again for everything. You guys have been just so amazing and so supportive with everything. And this channel would not be possible if it wasn't for each and every single one of you. So thank you guys again for everything. You guys are amazing. I appreciate y'all. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Just too sweet, baby. See you out. Peace out. Oh, wait. Before I forget. If you haven't followed me on my social media, that'll be all in the description below. My Instagram, my Snapchat, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Live.me account. That is all down there. And my Xbox Live account is down there as well, in case you guys want to add me on Xbox. That is down there as well. But now, I'm signing off now. So, just too sweet, baby. See you out. Peace out. See y'all. Love y'all. Peace.